leave your bracket loose so that you can line the holes up with the roof. Now it's time to find you a buddy and place your roof on top of the cage. For the front mounting point, you'll just simply use your stainless washer and your 5/16 nut. You have 3. For the rear mounting point, you'll use your 5/16 bolt with your bonded washer and just a washer and a nut on the bottom. Now that you have all your bolts started in the roof, you can tighten them down to 6 foot-pounds. That's all you need for the stainless bolts. Now you can untie your power wire and route it along the roll cage with the provided zip ties. Now take your provided zip ties, push into the hole, and secure your wire. Now we want to route your wire to the battery. You want to make sure it doesn't rub on any moving objects or sharp edges. Now you want to install your circuit breaker. You'll have one wire that goes from the battery to the circuit breaker, and then the other white wire hooks up to your other terminal on your circuit breaker. Now you can connect your red cable to the positive terminal and your black cable to the negative terminal on your battery. Be sure to tie up your excess wires and mount your breaker box somewhere in a safe location.